One of the trends that Evolveum is focusing on is identity governance and administration, as IGA principles have existed for a long time, but they might seem highly advanced and too far to reach in practice. In our opinion, IGA is something that can be deployed very early in the IAM project, and for sure it should be kept in mind right from the design stage. To start with the impact, IGA will help to get the complicated technical world of IAM closer to common users. And thanks to it, they will understand all the possibilities they can do by themselves within identity management, like, for example, managing access rights, requesting roles, or approving such requests. This will empower them to progress in their duties by themselves, which will significantly speed up processes within the organization, especially when you compare it with sending requests, tickets to an IT department. And moreover, at the end, this will save the effort of IT professionals who can be utilized more efficiently elsewhere. As an action Evolveum is taking, we are well aware of the IGA trend and its importance. So Midpoint already contains IGA features for a very long time, but recently we are focusing heavily on the IGA topic, especially on the visibility part, to be able to answer who has access, where, and why. We also have an internal working group, which is gathering use cases and designing IGA improvements for Midpoint, and design development capacity to implement ideas coming from the working group. So parallel with that, Evolveum is trying to engage with the whole Midpoint community, share the knowledge, and help people adapt IGA principles. For the project highlights, I would like to say that we always maintain and develop new features into Midpoint. And for past few product releases, Midpoint is ready to provide organizations with the full IGA experience to boost their security and efficiency. And this is also confirmed by Gartner's latest market guide for identity governance and administration, where Midpoint, our product, has been recognized as a complete IGA suite already. So currently, our plan is to work on role mining improvements, also improving entitlements, ownership management, access request user experience, and some improvements to role definition pages, and many other useful IGA features. So according to Gartner's report, by 2025, over 40% of organizations will be using insights from identity governance and administration platforms to reduce security risks, and that's really important. For the key questions to consider, what should you be asking maybe is how to integrate IGA principles in my IAM design at the initial phase of IAM project. So IGA can and should be integrated to IAM project from the beginning. Therefore, in the initial phase of the project, people should ask what IGA features they need and how to incorporate them. The other one would be, which responsibilities do you want to transfer from technical people to business, non-technical people? So if you answer this question, it could help you outline your expectation from IGA. And what will be the main IGA component of yours? So with this one, especially in academia, IAM functionality is often composed from several components, and Midpoint is designed to be the integration point, which can provide the complex overview and enable governance, but it also supports expert options in case the IGA data are aggregated elsewhere. So it's important for you to visualize how the architecture is going to look like and what other components you might need to consider. So that would be all from me. Thank you very much for your attention.